Hello children. Now let's look at another question from again the chapter AP. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. We have to find the sum of only odd numbers that are lying between 0 and 50. So what should be our first thing? First thing to do in this question would be find or list down the numbers between 0 and 50 which are odd. So the numbers are the required AP is first odd number between 0 and 50 is 1, 3, 5, and the last one was 49, right? After listing down the terms of the AP, we need to count the number of AP because we know the formula for Sn. Sn is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Either Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d, or we know that Sn can also be written as n by 2 times a plus an or a plus l, where l stands for the last term. Now, why are we looking at the last term question? Because we already know the last term and the first term, so that would be helpful. But in both the questions, what is most important part that is unknown is n. We don't know how many terms are there. So we are going to first find out the number of terms. So we'll say from the given information, what is your first term? 1. What is the common difference? 3 minus 1, 2. And what is 49? Correct, 49 is an. So using this information, we are going to find out the number of terms. So we'll write here, consider an. What is the formula for an? A plus n minus 1 times d. 49 is equals to a, 1 plus n minus 1 times 2, plus 1. Now these are two terms, children. Very simple thing, but sometimes we goof up. Plus 1 will come here and become minus 1. N minus 1 times 2. So we have 48. Multiplication will come down as division. N minus 1, that's 24. Subtraction will come here, become addition. So we know there are 25 terms. We know there are 25 terms. Now either of the two formula you can use and you can find out the sum. So I'll say consider Sn. And here I have chosen the formula n by 2 a plus an. The simple reason I know the first term, I know the last term, so the calculation becomes easy. Therefore, S25, as we've calculated n to be 25, S25 is 25 by 2 times A, 1, AN, 49. So this gives us 25 by 2 into 50, which is 25 into 25. 2 ones are 25 and 25 into 25. Correct? 625. So what is the sum of all the odd numbers between 0 and 50? 625. Right? Moving on to the next question, which is very similar. Okay, the next question says find the sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Now, you call the numbers as those integers can be called as integers which are divisible by 6, or we can say they are integers which are multiples of 6. All multiples of 6 are divisible by 6, right? So first thing, let's list down the multiples or numbers which are divisible by 6. So we have 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, and we go up to 6 into 40. We have 40 positive terms, right? So the AP, the required AP is, what is the required AP? 6, 12, 18, and 240. So here, what is your A? 6. D, even without calculation, you should know since it is a multiple of 6, or since it is divisible by 6, the common difference has to be 6. You can just check 12 minus 6, 18 minus 12, and so on. What else do we know? We know we have 240. What is 240? The last term, nth term. And we have one more piece of information, and that information is there are 40 positive integers. There are 40 positive integers. So what is 40? N. Now what we want to find? Sum. Consider sum. Sum of the first 40 terms. We can use the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d, or because we have a and an, we can write n by 2 times a plus an. We want sum of the first 40 terms. So S40 is 40 by 2. A is 6 and AN is 240, which is 20 into 246, which is 492. I hope you all have understood, children. Again, I'm repeating, write and practice. That's going to help you. Thank you.